Welcome to Beginner's Bar, Scott, and time to make a margarita. And we're using, for the first time, tequila. Casamigos, Reposado. Everything else that you need really is here, aside from, strainer and all that stuff. Let's get going. This half a lime, this is actually what's remained after my most recent episode about the Shirley Temple. Link down below to that, and also up there. So we're going to need an ounce of lime juice. I have another lime ready to go just in case. Hard to have that lime is dry. Wow. Ounce of lime. 90 an ounce. Try to yourself. And now 2 ounces of tequila. Well, it's better than the last time I made it margarita, I'll tell you that. Get this, get the ice. Gonna go 4 cubes to finish out this one. Marry the cocktail. The margarita. Before we begin, the margarita is not named for a dancer or a singer or anything like that. No. The margarita is a daisy. That's what the drink is called. A daisy. It's just that this is a daisy made with tequila. And daisy in Spanish is margarita. See how it tastes. Cheers. Okay. This is a lot better than the margarita I had previously. A lot better. The standard garnish actually on this should be salted rim to give a little bit of a bloom to the drink and bloom the cocktail a little bit. But I think if I did that, it might turn this off to me. Another thing that Dave Arnold would recommend if you don't want to have a salted rim all the way around here is do a saline solution. I believe it's 2 grams of sugar to like 8 grams of water, shaken up till it dissolves, put in a couple dashes, and that takes care of it. It's alright, but no, this is a pretty good cocktail. This is a pretty good margarita. I'll say it. If you want tequila, Casamigos is probably your best. There's one out there that some have said has really come into focus that I don't agree with at all. I'm not gonna pick names. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, comment down below. What cocktail do you want me to do? You can find me on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chocolates_inc. On that note, thank you for watching. I will see you next time for another episode of The Beginner's Bar.